Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you some of the cool tips and tricks for Android Studio. So let's get started with that. So first tips and tricks is to get line numbers in your code. So we'll go right click here and click this show line numbers. So it will show the line numbers which are used. And if you want to you don't want line numbers, then just unclick it. So that was one of the tips. And now to search anywhere, we have to be in the class, then double shift. Two times we have to press shift, and we can search anything at the text. Then if I press this, it will go to the edit text class. So this is one of the cool features. You can search anything from the entire project. Okay, and to get getters and setters. The next one is to get getters and setters on our project. So suppose you think have this much of variables. I want getters and setters for each one of that. I press double shift to get the search. Now and search getter and setter. Okay, and I get all these variables. I'll select each one of that and press OK. So as you can see, Android Studio has auto-generated all the getters and setters for me. So I don't need it, so I'm deleting it. So now the fourth one is constructors. To auto-generate constructors, the same principle. We'll first press double shift and write constructor and click under the actions constructor. So again we'll click shift and press select everything. So as you can see, Android Studio has auto-generated the constructor for me, public constructor for me. So it's one of the nice features. Now for documentation. For documentation for a particular thing, we'll click ctrl+q. So if I want documentation for this on create function, I'll press ctrl+q. So as you can see, all the documentation for this is auto-generated and I can see it. So again, if I want to say this, set content view. So as you can see, where I can see the documentation for this. Now if I want to comment, for commenting we'll use ctrl+//. So if I want to comment this override, I'll just use ctrl+comment. So it was pretty easy. Now for renaming a particular video, we use shift+F6. So if I want to rename this, it is shift+F6. So I'll use this builder. So as you can see, the variable name has changed back to what I set, and all the changes, I don't have to go everywhere and make the changes. It is auto refracted everywhere, the whole project. So now is if you want declarations and implementations of certain things. So if I want the declaration of this alert dialog, I'll go right click it and click to go to and go for declarations. So as you can see, I can see the whole class of alert dialog. I can do this for anything. Can even do on back pressed, and I can click right click and then go to and declarations. Yes, then again actually there are no declarations for this, so I'm not able to say. So that was pretty much it for some of the cool features of Android Studio. And one more features, if it is that we want to change the theme of Android Studio. By default it is IntelliJ white colored theme, but if you want to change it, just go to File and Settings, and under Appearance We can change the theme to Dracula, IntelliJ, or Windows, anything. I have kept it as Dracula because I like it. So this was all about changing the theme. So this was pretty much about some of the cool features of Android Studio. Thank you for watching.